Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make this out of this. This is an ice crushing, ice dispensing unit from a refrigerator. These are the parts you want. So, we got some screws to undo. That didn't accomplish a lot for us. It's been about a year since I've done this, so bear with me if I'm not too sure what I'm doing, because the last time I did this, it was at random, which is how 99% of my things go, which is another reason why I don't record them or produce videos by them, or of them, because it's not really in my thought process. No disassemble Johnny number 5. I don't remember how this comes out. It does something like this. Oh, I don't want to damage it. Oh yeah. Jam this bad boy in there to keep that one undone. Now, bye-bye shrouds. Now, I haven't exactly figured out what to do with this yet. It is quite interesting. And there's always something to be done with anything, depending on how interesting your mind is. And here, we just have another little pin. Oh, you know what? Since I have 2 beautiful children, and I want to be able to see them for as long as I live, getting some Googles on safety first. Well, clearly, at some point, safety something. Still need to get this bad boy off. I have the proper tools to do this, but not everybody does, so I like to improvise. It makes it more fun and keeps it as real as possible. Real for the reals. See, just gently. No rush, no fight. You can just work that. Gotta work that. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Just slowly, slowly. Slow and steady. Oh, we're putting dead parts on that side. See, you got some odd new washers for different stuff. My wife loves my hoarding. Not. But I get to do fun things like this with all of the junk that I keep. Because over here you can see I have an eye bolt, some washers, a capped nut, some rope, some hooks. And now we got, this guy has a little assembly on it. That looks like that needs to come on threaded now. Come on threaded now, threaded now. So let's grab, whoop. Might want to adjust the adjustables so that they are convenient. Let's see if this even... Oh, might help if you read the threads. Like I said, it's not going to be perfect. I don't know what I'm doing. It happened by accident last time, and it's kind of happening by accident right now. Now, nice little nylon bushings. We don't need them here. For this, we just need these guys. I'm not going to clean them up for this. I'm just going to put it together so you guys can get the gist of it. Bunch of plastic shrouds. We don't need them. The little damper door. Yeah. Oh, didn't even realize that that's kind of a propeller. You could make that an impeller. You could definitely make that into an impeller. Put it into like a 5-inch PVC pipe. That's kind of cool. Huh. It's kind of sad I threw out the other one. This one I didn't really figure out anything to do with, but it is useful at some point. Or just scrap. And again, this is fun, but can maybe... I don't know. I have problems. Alright, but this one... Now, oh, I don't have my keys with me, but I actually took the pin out of this and separated these, and I keep this one on my keys to now open doors when I go out in public, because it loops around a handle quite nicely, and it's got this little key ring. You can just kind of spin it around and be all fancy like when it fits on your pinky. But it latches onto all different door handles, and it doesn't have a lot of contact space, so you don't have to worry so much about it. You just run your lighter over it, and if you want to get it all nice and clean and pretty, again, and as all you do is just pop out that pin, and usually takes a little bit of work. You probably need a hammer. I'm not going to bang because my son is sleeping right above me right now, hence why I need a shop. But you got a cool little angle one there and a round one, so you can one his and hers. Alright, don't need those right now. These are the guys that we were after. An eye bolt that comfortably fits through there. Guessed that and nailed it. Bang on. But we need to make those look like this. I haven't tested the tensile strength of this. I don't know where it's going to actually bend or whatever the actual terminology is. Again, not a genius. But I did heat these up to bend them over, and I don't know if I have impeded the structural integrity of them, if they what their weight pull is, but we'll find out at some point in time. All right, I'm gonna test that. That's gonna be my next video, is testing these. But right now they're cool. They're just kind of like a little, you can use them on anything, but if you want to actually try and pull something with them, I don't know, I haven't tested it yet. So we got those guys are all of our separate pieces. This, and this. Let's get them in order. So we have 1, 2, and 3. These ones are not in order. I have 3, 1, 2. Yeah. Doesn't really matter. It's just OCD problems. So now we need... See, I did try and bend them before. Get me some heavy duty clamp down power. Oh no, that doesn't even clamp down enough. Alright, so I want to aim What did I do here? So yeah, I don't remember. It's all a guessing game. So I guess I want to hold the base and twist the tip is what I did. Hold the base, twist the tip. So I'm going to try this without heat. Yeah, it's pretty tough. It's stainless steel. So I can, but it's not bending very favorably. So we're just going to do this. Set that slightly off camera. No, shouldn't have to get it super hot. I think I should have oil. Like, I'm not a forger. I haven't made anything like this. I probably should have something to cool it down and strengthen it up, but I don't know if that's going to make it shatter, hardening it like that. Let's see if that even made it easier. But I use these pliers because they got this big handle on here. Oh, you can hear it. That's pretty solid right there. Nice and 90'd. Boom. Just gotta do that, what, 5 more times. That's gonna be hot, so let's do another one while that one cools down. And let's get the same format. So we wanna... Oh, because they are all arranged differently. The holes don't line up in the middle. So basically I just want to manipulate this same right there, boom. Get it all nice and toasty again. I'm gonna do this one a little bit warmer though, because damn did that hurt my wrist, and that probably did nothing good for the... I screwed something up there. The metal or me, something. Another day at the office. Oh, let's get it nice and warm. Now I gotta remember which way to turn it. Okay, so if I've got it this way, then I need to be turning up. Little things that would make a big difference if you do it the wrong way. Just like fixing your pliers. Do things the right way. I gotta keep that going again. Oh. One day I'll have everything set up and I'll make some fun videos for you guys. Kind of like Hacksmith. He's a big inspiration for me. Look at that, 90'd again. It's almost like I've done this before. Alright, now let's just do that again. Again. No. Something's not right here. I've got this the wrong way, don't I? No, because if I put it like that... Jeez. Say no to doggies, kids. No, my pliers are separated though. What's going on here? Oh. Jeez. First time out. The pliers. I have a sliding adjustment and clearly self-adjusted. Jeez. Come on, I'm already at 15 minutes. How long does it take to make a grappling hook? Everyone else is over the wall. I'm still here. Just heating. Oh, warm it up. Warm it up. This little torch is keeping my garage warm. Mm-hmm. That's a lie. It's a nice night. Mm-hmm. Get it nice. Guess I could get that a little bit closer. Oh, you can see it. I can't. There's a giant J-clamp hanging from my ceiling that is holding my phone, and it is covering the portion of my camera, or the portion of my screen where the torch is, so I couldn't see that you could see it. But now we can all see that. I can see that you can see. I probably should have oil to dip this in when I'm done, but I don't. No, I don't. Oh, first time I messed up. Those are cool. No, they're hot. They're hot. They're very hot. Cool looking. Now we just gotta do this again. Just keep going. Just keep going. Gotta dory that. Oh no, that's too much. I tell you right there. Too deep. Too deep. Too deep. That's what she said. Now I want to make it very clear that this is out of a refrigerator that was in the garbage. This was not my parents' refrigerator. This was not my refrigerator out of my own kitchen. This is not my refrigerator out of my garage, where my dad keeps his beer. This is a refrigerator that was on the curb, and I took it to scrap metal, and now I have its innards, and I am making use of them because I need to express myself. No, I just need to be happy, and this makes me happy. My family makes me happy, and making things make me happy. COVID does not make me happy. That's cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, gotta figure this out. Every time. No, this way. Yeah, these pliers work better when you hold them the right way up. That's much nicer. And then I'll be able to crank like this. I'm such a goof. See? Live and learn. It's only the second last one. Scooby-Doo. I'm sorry this video is taking a lot longer than anticipated. I thought I was like Superman and I was going to be able to smash this out in just a few minutes. Clearly, I have overestimated myself my entire life. But we're here for the show. And that's this show. Let's hurry up and heat it up. Only one more after this. Here we go. You all get to know the crazy in me. Oh, see, look at this. Oh, jeez. Oh, left thumb not functional. Alright. Not as pretty as I'd like it to be, but like I said, taking too long. Shouldn't be rushing myself for a video. If you guys want to, you can just fast forward through it. So I'm still not going to take my time. See, I don't even know what the heck I'm doing there. Is that right? I guess we'll try it like that one. Oh, jeez, 21 minutes. If you weren't counting. But in this time, I have not much else to do. My drink is too far away, and I will just stand here and heat this up. I should be turning it. I did watch Forged in Fire quite often, so this is something that I should be doing. I get turning, but yeah, I'm not forging anything. I'm simply just trying to make it more malleable. Because in its present state, it is hard. Very, very hard. But we're just going to heat it up and get it soft so we can bend. You gotta heat it so you can bend it. You gotta get it soft and malleable, so bend it. Sorry. I can't help it. I think it's like a form of Tourette's. But I'm recently going to the doctors to get that all checked out, so we'll see. Doctors could have been lying to me my entire life. Oh, see, did it again. But this way you guys get to know the real me. That's all that matters, right? Don't like me, don't stay. If you do like me, hit the like button. If you want to see more, tell me what you want to see. I will try and make fun videos of making random stuff out of random things. Alright, we are heated, we are bent. We've got that cool looking metal purple. Nah, I'm not gonna grab that, come on. I'm silly, but I am not super silly. So what I am going to do, once I figure out the depth, is I'm going to put a nice kink in there, give that a little bit of a stay, and then we'll get that sorted. But let's figure out where number 1 is. Ha! Come on. Uno. Ah, see, I ruined it. Dos. See, nope. Went off camera. There we go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, come on, goof. washer, washer. So this one, I just want to crank it on. It's a little bit smaller, but that's all right because I want it to not come off. So we're just going to make our own threads and we're just going to force weld it. Oh, we're going to fuse them real good. I'm going to get this video done before 29. Oh, it's just slipping on the... Yep, I think it's tight. I'd say that's tight. Tight, 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 tight. There's probably a lot of things that I could do to do this differently, but it's a half-hour project. Literally made on a whim. I just decided that I wanted to make a grappling hook one day, and so I happen to have two of the exact same fridges that I collected, refrigerators that I had collected, to correct myself, and now I have two grappling hooks because one was not good enough. So, like, things that you learn, like I could have flared these up so that they all kind of line up a little bit better with 1, 2, and 3, but it's something that kind of makes a new characteristic to it, that it drops, gives you some different depths. It was a design, it was a special design, it was purposeful, it was, yep, we did that on purpose. It was planned. It was all planned. Yep. Real good. Nice and planned. Now, right here, I know some people are going to be like, oh, you're putting kinks in it. You're going to fracture it. No, I'm just pressing down the threads, just so that's less inclined to slip up. Right? If it does get to that point, whatever. Normally I would weld it. I would weld all this together, but I want to make this as easy as pie for someone to throw together some parts, even if you go and pick up a couple of parts from the store. It's nice and simple. All right. Actually, you don't even really need that. I don't know why I put that on there. But we got our rope. This came with one of my magnets from magnet fishing, but the magnet is a 1,500-pound magnet, and it came with a 300-pound rope. So we're not going to use that one. But I am going to just simply do this. Okay. Well, clearly that works a lot better with fishing line than it does a grappling hook. But also, I haven't been a Boy Scout in 30-some years, so there's that too. Yeah, I messed something up there. Someone will see it, someone will find it, and someone will tell me. But even just to keep going, and then switch it up for the last one. Boom, and look at that. I just so happen to have electrical tape in my pocket, as always, and I'm near that 30-minute line. Always tape up. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed. Now I'm gonna go make a video on how these things can, how much they can hold. Alright, well, again, thanks for watching. Subscribe.